Hello, honey, and welcome back to my channel. If you have not already subscribed, honey, go ahead and do that right now, honey, so you can join the honey gang. I wanted to come on here and welcome you guys to my channel, and I wanted to tell you guys about my sis's book, okay? Honey, this book right here, Shortie, is the bomb.com, okay? Bomb.com, hands down. This right here, y'all, I need everybody to go check this out, okay? Go check this book out, okay? I'm going to have it linked below. If you want some comedy, if you want some mystery, if you want some good old like romance and drama, honey, she gives it all in the book, okay? She gives it all. I love it. Absolutely love it. Hands down, okay? Let me tell y'all, I am not the biggest reader. I'm not always sitting down reading a book, and everybody knows about me, right? I read this book all in one day. All in one day. I did start it a couple weeks before that day and read a few chapters, and then baby, I had time on my hands. So I was like, let me check out my sis book. Girl, I finished it all in a day. I was up until 2 o'clock in the morning because I just had to know what happened. So, if you a reader or not a reader, honey, everybody need to read this book. It's just that good. So go ahead and click that link down below. Check out my sister's book on Amazon, okay? Now, let's get to the vlog. So keep on dancing, baby. Welcome back to the vlog. So today is Saturday. I am trying to make sure I vlog and make up for the last vlog because child, we were snowed in and wasn't doing shit. So as you can see, the snow is finally starting to melt. It's 41 degrees right now. Shit, I'm hoping it get up to like 50. Let's go knock this shit out. Let's go make this shit melt, okay? The sun is out, shining all bright and whatnot. I'm about to go get me something to eat. I have not been eating out as much, but honey, baby, today we're about to get some Chick-fil-A. I seen that they had they have a new spicy grilled chicken sandwich, so I want to try that. These lights getting on my daggum nerves. Anywho, drive responsibly, guys. I almost ran that yellow light, but I'm not. Woosah. It's because I'm hungry. Oh wait, the light is green again. Awesome. They know I'm hungry. It is 2:53. Ain't night all day. I don't know what be going on with me, y'all, and why it be so late in the day before I eat. But I got up, didn't really do too much, and I was like, I need to go ahead and film the retwist video. So if you haven't watched that video, you guys, go ahead, check that out, okay? I just filmed it today. I can't talk. I just filmed it today. Okay, honey. Yes. So anywho, I'm about to get this food, and then we're gonna go to Ross, possibly, and Ulta, because I need to get some more Milani translucent powder. And we're just gonna see what Ross got. So yeah, I'll be back. Y'all, it done got so bad with these Chick-fil-A lines that they having to direct traffic. Like, this is go okay. Alrighty, this is just crazy. I guess they like have people picking up like orders and stuff. Oh my gosh, the worst thing would be to like have gotten the food and then come out here and slip and fall. Like, Because this is long ass line. Oh man, then you gotta wait all over again. Oh, that would be tragic to slip and fall in this shit and waste the food. He made it though. He did good. Okay, y'all, so we are in Ross, and I am pleased to say that they have stuff now. They got some swim stuff out. I got this cute little cover up. Y'all know I'm going to Miami. And I'm thinking about this jean dress. I kind of like it. You can dress this up, dress it down. I like it. I've been mostly looking at clothes and stuff, but they have everything else. Like, the shelves are finally full, so I'm looking at some stuff, y'all. We out here shopping. Finally. Y'all, they're getting the spring colors out. I'm getting excited. I don't know exactly what color I want to do for spring yet, or if I'm even going to do it, but I'm excited for it. But y'all, look at this. Who knew Halle Berry had a whole little kit going on here? Booty band, wrist weights, slimmer belt, only $12.99. Check her out. And this seems like it's the right kind of band too. But I don't know if I really need all of that. I already have a belt, but that's pretty good, y'all. $12.99 for this set. And then she got these little foam weights. These is $4.99. Check her out. Okay, Halle Berry. We see you. I've been saying I needed an office chair. What if I got this to go with my room? Y'all know I got pink like throughout. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Telling y'all, Ross, they getting it together. They getting it together. Okay, y'all, we are in Ulta now, and they do not have the Milani Prep and Go powder that I was using. So I'm thinking about getting one of these sprays. This one is Prime, Correct, and Set. This one has a sunscreen. I don't like to have too many products. I like when I can get more than one in one product. So, trying to see which one I'm going to get. And then I'm gonna get some lip stuff too, I think. But I think I'm gonna go with this one since they don't have the powder. And I've been wanting to try a spray anyway, so I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna try one of these liners, and they're on sale, so that is perfect. Y'all, am I being too picky when I say I want an auto lip liner? Like, I don't feel like dealing with no pencil. I don't feel like dealing with no sharpener. I want it to be auto. Am I being picky? Am I being lazy? I don't know. I mean, I don't want to deal with no sharpener. Don't nobody got time for that. Hello, honey. So today is a new day. I am out and about for work, but I am about to make a stop to Ross to either make an exchange or a return, depending on if they have what I need or not. It is a nice day outside, you guys. All the snow is gone. The roads is clear. It is 62 degrees right now. Probably gonna get up to the 70s. Like, yes, honey. Okay? We needed this weather. We needed it. The last 2 weeks have been crazy with snow, okay? Crazy. So we are back in true Oklahoma form with the sun shining, okay? And the temperature is rising. Anywho, so that is what I am about to do. So I don't know if I'm gonna take y'all in or not. But yeah, that's what's going on today. Hey y'all, so I came to a different Ross because I was just out and about, and there was clearly a mistake. They really do not have much in here. I mean, they do, but just not what I'm looking for. So yes, all rosters are not created equally, obviously. We already knew this, but I don't know, I guess I expected more. So, anywho, I will probably have to go back to the roster I went to on Saturday by my house. And hopefully I have better luck. Hey y'all, so I ended up in Marshall's. And I'm trying to find like birthday gifts for my friend Ty. It's her birthday. We're going to Miami this weekend for her birthday. And I just wanted to get something thoughtful. And I know she wants to start traveling more. And I think we must have forgotten to remove one of our visor and control tags. Please return to the service desk for assistance. That's a bit much. Anywho, I feel like this would be cute. It has a little hanger on it. Yes. And then I got this. This is something she can put on her desk at work. And then I'm just looking for like other little goodies that I know she would probably love. So yeah, I ended up in Marshall's. But that's cool. And sorts of cute little stuff. So yeah. It has been a day, y'all, but I am in my happy place, about to get my mani-pedi. Yes, relaxing time now. Alright, y'all, I got white on my nails too. I can't believe I did this. I've never had white on my nails, and I usually don't get my nails painted. I used to get acrylic a lot, and then I stopped that. And I was like, let me be fancy. Let me do some white. So, did that. This is the place. I don't think I showed y'all last time. They do everything here, y'all. If y'all are in the Oklahoma City area, they do everything. Waxes, massages, mani-pedis, eyebrows, hair. Like, they are literally a salon and day spa. Like, they are bomb. So, yes. Alright, y'all, I guess I am just full of errands today. It is Wednesday the 24th, so 2 days before my Miami trip. Look at those nails. Honey, they just look cute back there, don't they? I got my eyebrows done. I don't like for them to take off too much. My face looks super duper shiny. Anywho, I'm about to meet Babe, and because I still have a little bit of work to do, and he's gonna go work out. So we're meeting up at our chiropractor. We go to the same chiropractor out here in Edmond. Let me see. Just show y'all. No, where's his son at? Oh, he over there. Let me see if I can show y'all. Y'all can't see that. If y'all need a chiropractor in the Oklahoma City admin area, check him out. McDonald Chiropractor. He is the bomb.com, okay? He is not one of those that is out to get your money. He really tries to work with you and your insurance provider. Also his techniques and like the massage beds and stuff that he has, like he's really good, really good chiropractor. So yeah, about to do that. When I get home, I may show y'all a little bit of me finishing up packing for the Miami trip. So yes, I am excited, you guys. I haven't been to Miami since my senior year spring break trip in college in 2016. So I'm so excited to finally be going back to Miami. Y'all know I will be vlogging for y'all. So Y'all stay tuned and be on the lookout for that, okay? Hey you guys, so I'm back home and I got dinner going, but I wanted to come on here and show you guys what I am looking at packing so far. So this right here is from Shein. I am so excited about this. Y'all will definitely be seeing a picture on Instagram with this on, honey. So if you have not already follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do that. So this is from Shein. I'm excited about that. This is a jean dress that I can just wear on when we're like out and about. Real comfy, real comfortable. I got this from Ross. These are my primary sandals that I will be wearing while I'm there. That is another swimsuit bottom. And then this is a dress with splits on both sides that I will be wearing. It's kind of like halter top at the top. I think that's what that is. And then this is going to be my airport outfit. So that's what that is looking like. And y'all know I'm taking my headband wig, honey. Y'all know I'm taking that. If you have not checked out that headband wig video over locks, girl, what you waiting on? Go check out that video. So this is what it's looking like right now. This is what I have so far as outfits for Miami, honey. I am so excited. Okay, y'all, I'm trying hard not to overpack, but like, man, you never know what's going to be going on in Miami, and you just got to have options. So this is another outfit right here. This is some jean shorts, and then this is kind of like a tube top, real cute. And then I have a black like little cover up that I can have around my shoulders, real cute. And then this will probably be my outfit going home, my airport outfit, real comfortable. This shirt I got from Shein. This tube top I got from Shein as well. These leggings I think I got from Walmart, and these I got from DD's discount store. So yeah, we're literally gonna be down there a hot second, and I'm trying not to overpack, but like I said, just gotta have options, y'all. Gotta have options. So that's what it is looking like for right now. Hey honeys, I just wanted to come on here and end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos and rock with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe, honey. I am getting ready for Miami. I am so ready. So stay tuned for that vlog, okay? Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.